Even though it gets down in the single digits overnight, things have begun to melt. The waterfall across the road from our farm has begun to move again. This winter has been really hard on our pigs, but our breeders have made it through without a problem. We got a bunch of surplus pineapple that we've been feeding them. That's really helped a lot with the food bill this winter. They love to grab a pineapple and carry it around like it's their favorite toy or their prized possession. They keep it away from the others so they don't have to share.